Thank you very much. Good evening, everybody. Dr. Gandhi, thank you for being here this evening. So I know we all know what challenges and how you are dealing with it. So it is indeed a tribute to the occasion that you've actually made it here. So thank you very much. Mr. Mishra, the other senior colleagues, the entire team gathered here. It is a privilege. And Mr. Rigo, thank you for offering us your premises this evening. There are, in the notes of the event, there were three principal themes that I could have spoken of: IIBF, Sir PT, and Dr. Gandhi. But I think about IIBF, I'm a relative newcomer to IIBF. All I have to say that the period I have been engaged with, the kind of innovation and imagination that is being applied in bringing in banking courses, training, content, and being forward-looking, which if you notice is innovation, imagination, banking, and forward-looking is IIBF. And I think Mr. Mishra and team are doing a remarkable job trying to stay contemporary, but not forget the fact that the basics of banking have to be preserved and cherished. So I think there's a lot of good work happening. About Sir PT, Mr. Mishra already spoke about this being the 33rd lecture and what a visionary he was, and how in his honor this has been going on consistently. But the privilege that I have been given is to introduce Deputy Governor Gandhi. So without trying to take away from the essence of all that good work that is going on and what Mr. Gandhi represents, let me try and speak about Mr. Gandhi, Deputy Governor at RBI, is presently overseeing the financial markets and infrastructure vertical. Our Honorable Speaker has over 36 years of experience in this field, like IT, financial market operations, regulation, currency operations and management, personnel and human resources management. He had a 3-year secondment to the SEBI. He has also been head of 2 regional offices of RBI and has held the charge as director of IDRBT Hyderabad. He was executive assistant to the governor of RBI for 3 years. He was also a Reserve Bank nominee on the board of directors of 4 public sector banks for 5 years. I think these are just characteristics or roles that he has done, and most of us who have engaged with him know the intense application of mind and the intellectual gravitas that he brings to the role. And I think this evening we can hear from a person who is right at the front and center of one of India's most momentous changes that have happened in the area of demonetization. We all know the pluses and the minuses of this and the consequences of it, and I think through Mr. Gandhi we will be able to learn and hear and understand all the good work that is going on. So without much ado, thank you for being here this evening, and Mr. Gandhi, thank you for joining us, and we look forward to it. Thank you.